Hello and welcome to this Drivehud 2 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be covering a cool feature that probably most people don't know about, and that is the hand chart deviation report. It's located usually to the far right of your reports. It's available for cash games and for tournaments, and essentially what this does is it allows you to run a check after your sessions to see if you made any mistakes. Primarily pre-flop, you can do some post-flop stuff, but primarily to see if you made any pre-flop mistakes. Drivehud comes with a couple of preloaded charts, one that are GTO recommended raise first in ranges for cash games, and then a tournament push or fold hand chart as well. So all you really do to run this is, let's say I wanted to check this session here. This is 6 max cash game, so I'm going to run the GTO raise first in 6 max cash game. Just click run, and then instantly I'm going to see how many errors I made where I deviated from the recommended GTO raise first end charts. So if I go over here to the right on the hands, I can see my action is on the top. I raised. Recommended action is fold in this situation, and you can go down the chart list here and it'll do the same. You can load this up in the hand replayer and replay it, and you'll see what the recommended action is as well here at the top. Hand action chart recommendation is fold. Obviously I opened in this situation, so if I play the hand here, looks like it was opened, and the ideal game theory recommended option here in the low jack is to fold. So pretty straightforward and simple how to use this. It's just great as like a little tune-up, and of course there's plenty of valid reasons why you might deviate from a game theory when you're actually playing. But also you can create your own charts here, 3-bet specific only ranges or 4-bet ranges and so on. I'm going to briefly show you what that looks like, but also just if you're primarily just a tournament player, the same thing is available here, the hand chart deviation report. Like I said, there's some preloaded push fold charts. Again, you can create your own, and I'm going to go over real quick how to do that in this next part of this video. So if I want to create my own hand chart, I just come over here to the hand chart editor and click that, and it'll pop up. Now you can see a list of positions here at the top. So if I'm creating a hand chart, I want to create specific for a game type, so 6 max, full ring, 8 max, and so on. I want to be cognizant of which positions I'm starting with. You can see here it says full ring, first position starts at under the gun +1. So if I was doing a full ring, I would start here and go this way. 6 max starts at low jack and goes on from here. So it would be low jack or under the gun for 6 max. So let's say I'm going to make a 6 max cash game, 3-bet, 4-bet hand chart. I'd go ahead and highlight here some of the hands I'm going to 3-bet. So let's say aces, queens, jacks, ace king, ace queen. And let's say there's some of these hands I want to 4-bet, let's say like queens, let's say maybe like half the time. I can go over here, click on my queens. I'll see a bunch of combos here on the right. If I want to do 4-bet 50% of the time, I would just highlight the 4-bet and take half of these combos, so you'll see it reflect here. Half of the time I'm 3-betting queens, half the time I'm 4-betting. And I can continue and do that with the rest of the hands that I want to add in 3-bets. And then when I'm done, I just click save. And when I do that, I'll just give this a test 6 name. Then this will go ahead and also come up as an option in my, well, I'll have to reload this, but it'll come up as an option in my hand deviation report. So I'll be able to run that in future sessions and check and see if I was 3-betting and 4-betting appropriately in that 6 max game. So you can see it comes down here, test 6-6. Of course, there's going to be errors because I didn't exactly do that 100% how I would want to, but yeah, so that's essentially the idea, and it's just a great way to kind of check up, make sure you're playing ideally, especially if you're trying to play, for example, a lot of game theory optimal pre-flop ranges. You can really dial those in, and makes it really easy for review because you can see what you should have done. You can tag those hands and so on for later review. So super easy, great feature. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.